over 20 years, Scala Precision Health has been testing the outliers of our professional world: endurance athletes, emergency service personnel, corporate executives, and military special forces. Today, the corporate world demands long hours, intense focus, and competitive results. The home life outside corporate America demands just as much. When men and women begin to experience symptoms of fatigue, weight gain, depression, anxiety, and sleep disorders, the traditional medical system does not have a successful solution. At Scala Precision Health, our advanced testing and treatment plans go beyond the standard of care and are not offered anywhere today in traditional medicine. We also offer professional, face-to-face consulting with one of our advisors. They are here to help navigate your health in the corporate war zone and execute a treatment protocol specifically designed for you and only you.
Hello folks, Russ Scala here. I'm really excited about our new program called the Corporate War Zone. This is what we're going to do. We're going to offer a program when an executive, male or female, gets into trouble. Instead of going on a 4-year journey, going from doctor to doctor to doctor, we want to cut that down in about 90 days. And we've got Vicki ILiff here that's going to help us with that. She's going to be face-to-face with you to kick off this new program.
Nice to meet everyone. I wanted to give you just a brief overview of what I have gone through for the last about 12 years. After high school, I had a really hard time controlling my weight. I got pregnant with my son. After that, I was on birth control, which created a lot of imbalances in my body, a lot of side effects that I was not happy with, and it also prevented me from being able to get pregnant with my daughter as soon as I wanted to. I had to work really, really hard to conceive her. And after I had her, I was still not balanced, and I was still having an issue getting back to what I felt was a normal weight for me. I have obesity that runs on both sides of my family, also heart disease, and I've seen how it has shortened their life. And my experience as far as eating and lifestyle changes, I was a vegan, raw vegan, and I've also been following a ketogenic diet for the last 3 years. So I've been basically on both ends of the spectrum, and I look forward to helping as many people as possible find what works for their individual body.
Folks, this is the paradigm shift in personalized medicine. Our medical system is broken, and treatments have to be designed for you and only you. Check out the Russ Scala YouTube channel, Scala Precision Health, and see my book on Amazon called American Biohacker. Be safe, folks.